Welcome to Once Upon a Case, because the law isn't just for lawyers, it's for everyone. Here's the case that blew up Canada's Sunday shopping ban, RV Big M Drug Mart, 1985. First, the facts. In Calgary, a pharmacy called Big M Drug Mart opened its doors on a Sunday. That broke the Lord's Day Act, a federal law that basically said, Sundays are for rest, stores stay closed. The government charged the store. Instead of just paying a fine, Big M fought back, saying the law itself was unconstitutional under the brand new Charter of Rights and Freedoms. Their argument? Freedom of religion, Section 2A. The Lord's Day Act forced everyone, Christian or not, to observe a Christian Sabbath. That's not freedom, that's compulsion. Here's the twist. A corporation doesn't have a religion. So could a company even make that claim? Yes, because any accused can challenge a law's constitutionality if the law violates the charter. If a law is unconstitutional, it's of no force or effect for anyone. The Supreme Court went big. They asked, what's the purpose of this law, and what are its effects? Not just how it's applied today, but why it was written. The purpose was clear. The Lord's Day Act was designed to compel religious observance of Sunday. That violates freedom of conscience and religion. The court said freedom of religion includes the right to believe, or not believe, without coercion. It protects practices, beliefs, and the right to be free from state-imposed religious conformity. A law that pushes one faith's holy day onto everyone? That's coercion. Could the government save the law under Section 1? The Reasonable Limits Clause? No, because if a law's very purpose is unconstitutional, you can't justify it by pointing to good effects, like a common day of rest. A bad purpose fails at the starting line. Result: Big M was acquitted, and the Lord's Day Act was struck down nationwide under Section 52, the supremacy of the Constitution. From that moment, Canada couldn't enforce a religious Sunday closing law. Why this case still matters? It cemented the purpose and effects test for charter review. Courts look at what a law intends and what it does. It broadens standing. An accused party can challenge a law even if they aren't the direct rights holder. It defined freedom of religion as freedom from coercion, not just freedom to practice. It signaled that state neutrality in matters of religion is a core constitutional value. After Big M, governments that wanted a common day of rest had to craft secular, non-coercive policies. Think labor standards, not church rules. So RV Big M Drug Mart isn't just a Sunday shopping story. It's the case that drew a bright line between personal belief and state power, saying the government can't make you honor a religion you don't hold. And that's how a local pharmacy helped define religious freedom for an entire country. Thank you for watching. If you like this case, hit the subscribe button, and I will see you on the next one.